Okay, so in this lecture, what we're going to look at is how we can customize our columns so that we get the details that we want from the ads. Okay, so if we go into the columns area and then customize columns, you are given a window by which you can select the different columns that you want your data to be sorted by. So instead of having the reach, the cost, the budget, the amount spent, etc., what you can do is you can just get rid of these all together. And this is going to be your custom table, okay? So what you do is you look at results, maybe the results rate, the reach, the social reach, the actions, the total conversion value, and then you click apply. And this will give you the metrics that you have just asked to be sorted by. And then what you can do if you want to save that, you put save and you put, let's say, custom 1. And then you have got the metrics that you want to be analyzed. But it all really depends on what it is that means the most to you. So when you are creating your custom report, you can decide what are the different categories that are most important to you. Is it performance? Is it cost? Is it engagement? So you can look at the full spectrum of engagement analytics here. Is it videos? How many people are viewing it for a certain amount of time? Is it website actions, website clicks if you've got an ad running on your website? Is it your conversion pixel and how many people are spending time on certain pages on your website? Is it your mobile app installs, app engagement, etc.? And then we go down to clicks. Clicks are quite important. Clicks are important to me because as far as I'm concerned, I want to know how many people are clicking into my ad. So you can put click-through rate, you can put cost per click, you can get all sorts of analytics from this. And this is what will basically comprise the set of data that you are interested in. So I hope that you enjoyed that and I'll see you in the next lecture. If you want to get a full list of everything that Facebook allows you to measure, what you can do is you can create a full report. So in this one here, this is a full report. So not only are you looking at the top line, which to me is the most important metrics that I want to keep an eye on, but you can click through, you can have a look at everything. You can have a look at the cost per all actions, cost per unique click, etc. You can have a look at everything. And this is perfect if you are really big on analytics. Now, I'm really big on analytics. I like to know everything that's going on behind my ad, because then I can look at each section and think, what could I change about that? What could I improve about that? Look at the ages, right? Okay, so 13 to 24 is doing really well. 34 to 45 isn't doing really well, so I'm going to delete that one and I'm just going to focus on 13 to 24. And you can really maximize the performance of your ads by knowing what's not working, what's working really well, and optimizing what's working really well. Because whatever's working really well is getting you the lowest cost for your ad. And if you know what's getting you the lowest cost for your ad, you can get rid of what's making it really expensive for you, which is the people that it's being served to that are just ignoring your ad. So it's really important that you get a good understanding of the analytics. Now, I don't want to confuse you. The most important thing is the top line. This is where you know how well your ad is performing at the highest level, and this is what you've got to make the most important. But by analysing the most important analytics behind your ad, you are really knowing what's working well and what's not working well, and you can make improvements to it in that way. So the way to get this full set of data is by going to Customize Columns, and then literally selecting everything. As you can see here, select everything that's important to you. Now, in this instance, I'm not running anything on my website, so there's no need to go to a website, and I'm also not doing anything on mobile apps. But everything else, the clicks, the cost, the engagement, the performance, all of these things on the side here, these are the things that are important to me. So I've clicked them all, pressed apply, and given it a name, as you've seen me do already. So I hope this has been useful, and I'll see you in the next lecture.